Indiana, Dearborn and Franklin, in Boone, Kentucky. Southwestern Auglaize County, southeastern Mercer County, Miami County, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Madison, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Castown, Union Corners, New Bern, Bradford, Potsdam, Lockington, New Bremen, Darke County Airport, West Milton, New Madison, Covington, State Route 47 at U.S. Route 127, Eldora Speedway, Fort Loramie, Osgood, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127, Sharps Crossing, Harding, Hollinsburg, and Piqua. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 1 and 10. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 88. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Indiana.